In Oro Valley, Arizona, troubled high school student Sean Boswell and athlete Clay race their cars, a 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, and a 2003 Dodge Viper, to win the affections of Clay's girlfriend Cindy. When Sean cuts through a structure and catches up to Clay, desperate to win, hits Sean's car repeatedly until they reach a high-speed turn, which causes both cars to crash. Clay and Cindy's wealthy families help them escape punishment, but because Sean is a repeat offender, he is sent to live in Tokyo, Japan with his father, a U.S. Navy officer stationed in Tokyo, in order to avoid juvenile detention or jail. While in Tokyo, Sean befriends Twinkie, a military brat who introduces him to the world of drift racing in Japan. Sean has a confrontation with Takashi, the Drift King, aka DK, over Sean talking to Takashi's girlfriend, Neela. Though barred from driving, Sean decides to race against Takashi, who has ties to the Yakuza and drives a 2003 Nissan 350Z. Sean in a 2001 Nissan Silvia S15 Spec S loaned by a racer named Han, but loses his first race with Takashi due to his unfamiliarity with drifting. To repay his debt for the car he destroyed, Sean agrees to work for Han, who drives a 1997 Mazda RX-7. This leads to the duo becoming friends, with Han agreeing to teach Sean how to drift, explaining that he is helping him because Sean is the only person willing to stand up to Takashi. Sean moves in with Han and soon masters drifting by practicing in a 2006 Mitsubishi Evo, gaining respect after defeating DK's right-hand man, Morimoto. Sean soon asks Neela out on a date, and learns that after her mother died, she moved in with Takashi's grandmother, which resulted in their relationship. An enraged Takashi beats Sean up the next day, telling him to stay away from Neela. Neela subsequently leaves Takashi and moves in with Sean and Han. Takashi's uncle Kamada, the head of the Yakuza, reprimands Takashi for allowing Han to steal from him. Takashi and Morimoto confront Han, Sean, and Neela about the thefts. Twinkie causes a distraction, allowing Han, Sean, and Neela to flee, who are then pursued by Takashi and Morimoto. During the chase, Morimoto is killed in a crash, leaving Takashi to pursue the trio on his own. Han allows Sean to overtake him in order to hold Takashi off, but the chase ends when Sean and Neela crash. Meanwhile, moments after escaping from Takashi, Han's car is T-boned, and the car explodes before Sean has a chance to save Han. Takashi, Sean, and his father become involved in an armed standoff which is resolved by Neela agreeing to leave with Takashi. Sean's father prepares to send him back but Sean pleads him to let him fix his own mess. His father then agrees and makes amends with him. Twinkie gives his money to Sean to replace the money that Han stole from Takashi, which Sean then returns to Kamada. Sean proposes a race against Takashi, with the loser having to leave Tokyo. Kamada agrees to the challenge, but on the condition that the race take place on a mountain, revealed to be the mountain where Takashi himself is the only person to make it down successfully. Sean and Han's crew restore Sean's father's 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback to drift specification, using several components of the previously wrecked Silvia, including the engine. That night, on the mountain, crowds gather to see the race. Takashi takes the lead initially, but Sean's training allows him to catch up. Determined to win, Takashi resorts to ramming Sean's car, eventually missing and driving off the mountain while Sean crosses the finish line, with Takashi's car almost falling on him in the process. Kamada keeps his word, and lets Sean remain in Tokyo and is now christened the new Drift King. Sometime later, Neela, Twinkie, and Sean are enjoying themselves in their newfound home place and freedom. Dominic Toretto shows up to challenge Sean, and he accepts after the American proclaims himself as Han's family.